Hey everybody, Chloe Lewis here, founder of the Marma Foundation. I don't have my coffee with me, so coffee with Chloe in the morning with no coffee. I'm just gonna go through quickly and try and do a quick video of going through the New York blockchain. I try and spend a few minutes every day live streaming and going through kind of what I do. The Marma DAO has a few proposals in it. This week is the first week 8, that I'll be requesting Marma tokens from the DAO. And then we have some other people who are on the Medium raid, for example. People didn't put, what's it called? There's a little issue, for example, someone not putting I put the Discord link, copy link, because without any sort of link, it's hard to know what this person actually did. So I just share the Discord link just so that people can check what's going on. If everyone wants to check out the details, they can kind of go through and see. People just don't like using the description, apparently. I guess maybe they don't know what to put in the description. Maybe some kind of link would be helpful. I'm actually gonna message and say something, because no people know when people are. I'm just saying, please use a link. Don't leave it blank. Obviously, I can just put a link in for everyone, which is nice. The fact that now I can just, come back, add links, do all that stuff. Everyone else seemed to have no problem adding links last week and all the other previous weeks. So I think it's kind of funny, I guess. There's a link here for Ocaso and some other proposals. Okay. Looking at Ref Analytics, volume's up, value locked is up, because NIR is up. And when NIR is up, most of the pairs are pegged to NIR. So that makes a lot of sense. Marma up a little bit, makes sense. $713 of volume. Pixel token, we're still doing more volume than PXT, which is pretty cool. Then you have some like Gitcoin doing no volume and other coins. We're not doing that much volume, but we try. Having fun. We do have a pet egg that we can hatch. So I'm going to play a match, hatch some eggs. Oops, I don't want to show all my recent history. I want to go to Crypto Heroes. Let's go for a dungeon. Let's go for a medium dungeon first. Actually on ref, not much going on. Just going to claim my pools. I have a meeting after this too, so I don't have much time to be on. Okay, so now we've claimed, right? We're just gonna withdraw. Withdraw all, and we can keep fighting a little bit. Okay. The one thing is that with the Pixel Dapps games, for some reason they're on the same clock. So what I mean is if I leave the screen, it stops playing the game. But what you can do is just refresh the page. So if you're getting a bit annoyed by it taking too long, just refresh the page. Even this is taking too long, just refresh the page. It'll come back, and when it comes back, whatever the outcome is or would have been will be there. So now we can use our main. Actually, we're gonna hatch the egg we got. We got an egg last night for refilling our fight balance. It'll be a random common pet. We'll see what we get, and we'll keep fighting. Battling it up. Okay, group raids. We're in first, which is so cool, 110 kills. We'll see if we can keep that up. Egg is hatching. Ooh, power level 77. I don't have one of these either, so very cool. Lost connection to Aurora for Bastion. Bastion, we're still looping. Okay. Aurora's kind of annoying to be honest. There's always an issue somewhere. But yeah, I borrowed another 100 ST near, so we're a bit above 45 now. It wasn't really for a good experiment, or I should say, not really for an efficient experiment. I was just testing out the AUSDO thing. NUSDO on near seems to make a lot more sense to me. You're putting in your ST near, so you're holding a interest-bearing token. You're earning meta on that ST near, and then you're earning NUSDO on stability pool deposits, and you have a liquidity pool. AUSDO is a bit, I mean, I'll try and show it. OIN finance. Yeah, so then, you go over here, you go to OIN DAO, it'll show you all the different chains that you're on. So you can see like the largest, it's one of the largest, like enter here. So what I might do instead of what I'm doing now, so previously, or what I have right now, is that we have like, okay, and all this stuff taking forever to come up, just no information showing. Lord help me. Yeah, this is why you gotta run your own indexer, because otherwise you're at the mercy of, anyways. So we borrowed 600 AUSDO. We have 105 W near deposited. And so the idea is, can we make more than 600 AUSDO? Now, AUSDO is above the peg right now. So the simple way of going of earning NUSDO would be paying back the loan when the peg is low, right? So if you know that AUSDO is above $1 now, you could sell it for something that's worth $1. So on Tri Solaris, we have some liquidity with AUSDO USDT. We'll earn training fees, we'll earn ref, we'll earn Tri, we'll earn W near. And so that should cover, stability rate of 2% is nothing. But it should cover potential liquidations as well. So we'll try it out. We'll see. And then worst case, well, the idea is actually the rate of AUSDO is probably going to come down. So the other idea I had today, which is why I was saying it's not a very efficient experiment, because I minted this AUSDO, which means I minted it at $1. It's currently trading above $1, so I got to sell. I sold some of the AUSDO for above $1. Then we deposit it into the pool. But if we completely sell all the AUSDO above $1 for ST near or something, and then AUSDO drops to the peg, you make money back, but near could just, I don't know. It gets a bit confusing. I just want to show off what I was doing. Oh yeah, we gotta stake our Paris. Oops. Oh yeah, this is still going on. Oh my gosh, we got defeated. No. So we definitely, that was, never mind. 1 second. We have this character, which will go into medium as well. Main menu. We're definitely going to sell this pet. We don't need that. So we're just going to come here, sell it for 19. I didn't really check the market at all, but that's okay. Oh, and then I forgot to do half the stuff I normally do. I have 4 minutes. So first things first, because I did forget to do this. So let's do 20 since I forgot yesterday. And then we're going to send this over to the marmaj DAO. So right now we are depositing some ref, getting XREF, interest-bearing tokens, and the marmaj DAO. And the marmaj DAO will add liquidity with it. We also have more near. Yeah. We're going to be taking another 619 near, moving it to MetaPool today as well. So we can have ST near and deposit liquidity from there. Okay. Let's just keep this simple. So we're gonna trade that there. We have a bunch more ref, and we have some W near. I think we're just gonna go from ref to Marma J again. Keep it simple for the day. Okay. And then the next time I claim, so I guess tomorrow, I'm just gonna claim the ref, add ref, xref Marma J liquidity. It might make sense to add some ref Marma J liquidity as well, but probably won't do that. Just take one transaction, and then we can quickly add some liquidity as well. These things all take so long. Yeah, we're probably gonna remove this. It's a bit too like, sure, it's stablecoin liquidity, but and it's giving pretty good APR, APY. But the reason it's giving such good rates is because AUSDO or whatever it's called doesn't have much liquidity, doesn't have much use case. It does provide you a way to kind of try and create a token, but it's overpriced right now. Like if I go to here, like for AUSDO, selling it to USDT actually gives you more than $4. So because I actually paid $1 for this, it actually does make sense to remove it from the pool. I might even do it right now before my meeting, just to be like, just to show. Anyways, we can quickly add some liquidity. Oh yeah, I don't think we have anything actually to add liquidity for tomorrow, xref. But here, for example, if I switch back to, this was like a morning I used to create the position on OIN and minted some AUSDO because it was above the peg, just as a way to like mitigate some of my losses when it came to the experiment. I mostly just wanted to test all this out. It was a very low chance I was actually going to keep all these funds in. Generally, how I experiment is very similar to this. I try and find an experiment where I either break even or like I can test it out by earning as I test. And it allows me to learn new things and test out new things and try out new dApps without actually having to take on extra risk, arguably. And I just move my funds from here and there, testing out new dApps, trying out new things, seeing what works, what doesn't work. The idea is to continue to try and build out the Marma J Foundation based on what I learned here. So I think, though, we're just going to remove all the liquidity. See, I have 295 and 305. So, and I gotta approve, which costs 62 cents or whatever. Oh no, this one's just signing. But like, you gotta pay for approval. I probably spent at least what, $5-10 maybe, just like going through all of this. I'm a minute late for my meeting, but you know, I'll get on there soon. I have no coffee anyway. I gotta get coffee too. I'm gonna get on a meeting and get a coffee at the same time. But then we have this, and then what I'm probably gonna do is swap all of this. I want to see what it looks like when I swap. Oh, never mind. The goal, remember, is to get 610 AUSDO. So we have nothing. Okay, so swap. When we swap AUSDO to, oh wait, if we swap Tether, see, we get less, and then we're not going to be at 610. So what we're going to do is we're just going to swap the AUSDO because it's above the peg right now. Does this work? Just going straight to ST near. $11.28 AUSDO per ST near. 1158 USDT. So I can trade, so near, ST near is up a bit. So I can trade AUSDO for ST near. And then when ST near keeps going up, I'll be able to sell it back for AUSDO, assuming AUSDO also okay, wait, what are we assuming? We're assuming that AUSDO goes down in value. So no matter what we trade away from, buying back the AUSDO will be less later. Right now we're saying AUSDO is just more. But is ST near the right coin to be going to? I feel like we borrowed 100 ST near, and now we're on this side with the AUSDO. AUSDO has to go cheaper, right? So we're gonna wait, and so we're figuring out with AUSDO higher, how do we? Let's just do it. I'm sure, but this is why thinking through the entire steps of the experiment at the beginning is difficult. As you actually sign transactions and go through it, it starts making a little more sense and clearing up. So it's probably going to happen anyways. Because I have this ST near now, I could either cycle through, right, and redeposit, but there's kind of no point. I also have USDT that I don't need. And this we're going to put into ST near just for fun. There's no point of we're buying expensive ST near when it was cheaper a couple hours ago. Whatever. We're just gonna okay, so this would have, all of this stuff I'm doing right now would have made a lot more sense to do right away, for example. So instead of adding to the pool at all, I should have just swapped to ST near. Put ST near back into Bastion or whatever. Not that it makes that much, okay, this is not correct. Not that it makes that much difference. The point is we borrowed some more, so we're going to earn on the borrow. And then we deposited some more, so we're going to earn on the deposit. And then when AUSDO goes from like $1.30 to 70 cents or 60 cents, then we have a chance to like, earn a $50 or something like that. It's just testing out the flow of basically shorting a stable coin in a very inefficient way. Okay, well, on that note, I think I'm pretty much done with that. I do have a call now. I'm going to try and hop on that. Okay. Awesome sauce. That's everything from me. Hope you all have a wonderful